Hello, I'm Scott Wine, Chairman and CEO of Polaris Industries. Very excited to be with you today and excited to show you the all-new 2016 Polaris GEM. I'm here with John Stockman and Brian Hertzberg, and what we're going to show you is how Polaris has brought our great history of innovation to this very important project and product for the future of Polaris. Polaris is known as an innovation company. Since 1954, when we invented the first snowmobile, through the years when we became the #1 player in ATVs, we've got $2 billion businesses with the Polaris Ranger and the Polaris RZR. We're approaching that with our motorcycle businesses. Just bought the Indian brand in 2011. And what we've been able to do since then to bring a truly iconic brand back to life. And I think what you'll see today is how we've taken that same culture and the processes that allow us to innovate in so many other industries and applied it to the GEM vehicle. It's both fun and rewarding to run the largest and most successful company in power sports, but we want to be that and a whole lot more. And when we acquired GEM and followed it up with the acquisitions of Goupil and Exomega and ultimately the Bramo motorcycle business, we have taken the best of each of those products, taken everything we've learned from working with these vehicles and put it into the 2016 GEM that you're about to see. Now let's get on with the really exciting part of the show. I'm pleased to welcome John Stockman, our GEM director, to take you through the new GEM vehicle.
Thanks, Scott.
John.
And thank you all for being here today. And I hope you're as excited as we are to meet the all-new Polaris GEM. And I stress Polaris because, as Scott mentioned, when it came to reimagining this vehicle, we leveraged the expertise in innovation that only Polaris can deliver. We started by getting to know you, our customers, better than anyone else, gaining a deep understanding of exactly what you need and want. We tapped the Polaris obsession with customer experience to deliver an exceptional ride. And as we do so well on the power sports side, we added options and accessories to maximize your utility and enjoyment. Let's start with what we learned from you, our customers. You told us that golf carts are a low-cost alternative for getting around, but they're not very comfortable. They don't look very nice, and they don't feel safe on the road, especially the ones with rear-facing seats. You said you use vans for shuttling people, but they're bulky, hard to park, and generally more than you need. Trucks are used a lot for maintaining grounds and hauling goods, but they're loud, expensive to operate, and hard to squeeze into tight places. And since most are gas-powered, they're also not very green. When we talked to you about the current GEM, you told us you'd like to see better brakes, the ability to comfortably seat larger people, more customization options, and the confidence to go farther on a charge. Oh, and better doors, much better doors. In short, you told us that you want a vehicle that's smarter on 3 key fronts. First, smarter comfort. You want a vehicle that's easy to get in and out of with a spacious interior to accommodate different body shapes and sizes. Second, smarter safety. You want a vehicle that's legal to drive on-road and that has car-like safety features that deliver a positive driving experience. Third, smarter power. You want to go electric because it's quiet, clean, and efficient. Your needs vary from intermittent short trips to shuttling customers all day long, so you also need the confidence that your vehicles can go the distance. And of course, it has to be reliable and customized to the job at hand. So how did we go about doing all of this? Well, our engineers love this kind of challenge, so we started from scratch and built a vehicle from the ground up. We engaged you in every phase of the development process to ensure we delivered the best possible vehicle for your needs. Once we had the vehicle the way you wanted it, we needed to make sure it was tough enough. So, because we're Polaris, we tested, and tested again. In fact, to give you total confidence that your GEM vehicle can handle your needs, it's tested to 3 times the expected life. This vehicle redefines durable. The new Polaris GEM is a vehicle that's positioned between a golf cart and a van or truck. Greater comfort and more built-in safety features than a golf cart, and more economical and sustainable than a van or truck, delivering a unique combination of benefits that give you the smarter way to move. So, without further ado, here's the new GEM.
Whether you're moving people or cargo, you want to invest in smart vehicles. One low-cost option is a golf cart, but they're not very comfortable and don't feel that safe. And in most places, you can't drive one on the road. Legally, that is. Vans and trucks can haul a lot, but they're hard to maneuver and costly to buy and maintain. Plus, they add to your carbon footprint. Neither of those options sound very smart, but luckily, you have a third choice. Introducing the all-new Polaris GEM. There's a reason why we say GEM is the smarter way to move. Well, 3 actually. First, comfort, because the ride matters. Combine an incredibly smooth ride and spacious interior with a highly compact footprint, with room enough for people as tall as 6'8", and an open-air design that makes it easy to get in and out. GEM is clearly your smart choice for comfort. 2. Safety, because you carry more than golf clubs. Unlike cars, GEM vehicles are loaded with safety features, like forward-facing seats, 3-point safety belts, auto-grade tires and windshield. Safe is smart. And finally, sustainability, because a big payload should leave a small footprint. With 0 emissions, the rugged Polaris GEM can haul over 1,400 pounds of payload to tackle your tough jobs while still being a friend of the environment. Trade expensive maintenance for an average operating cost of just 3 cents a mile. Plus, boost productivity with GEM's big payloads and smart power. Fewer trips with fewer stops. That's a smart way to get more done and feel good doing it. Engineered for comfort, Polaris built for safety, and sustainable for the environment. 3 big reasons why Polaris GEM is the smart choice for moving people or cargo. But what's really smart is seeing one for yourself. Test drive the new Polaris GEM today and experience a smarter way to move.
Meet the all-new Polaris GEM family, the E2, the E4, the E6, and the ELXD. Polaris engineered for premium comfort, the new GEM features a more spacious interior with the same compact footprint. It's built from the ground up with integrated safety features, and it features quiet, sustainable power for a low-cost, low-maintenance operation. Now I'm going to turn it over to Brian Hertzberg, our engineering lead for the new GEM. Brian's going to share with you how we leverage Polaris's expertise to create a truly innovative new vehicle. He'll show you the features and customization options that make GEM the smarter way to move.
Thanks, John. In listening to our customers, one of the first things that we heard is that the ride matters. So we needed to deliver a vehicle that makes everyone feel safe and comfortable while maintaining the maneuverability that a smaller vehicle should offer. To do this, we maintained the vehicle's compact footprint at 55.5 inches wide. By being more efficient with our design, we were able to increase the interior cab space, making the vehicle extremely easy to enter and exit. Once inside, people of all shapes and sizes feel comfortable. You can adjust the seats and the steering to a position that you prefer. I'm 6'4" and I've got plenty of room. The vehicle controls are conveniently located for easy and intuitive access. And all seats are forward-facing, which not only improves safety, but also creates a much stronger connection between drivers and passengers. Part of feeling comfortable is feeling safe. That's why the GEM includes high-back seats, 3-point seat belts, an automotive glass windshield, self-canceling turn signals, and LED tail and brake lights. For comfort and control while driving, the GEM offers automotive-style rack and pinion steering with an option for electronic power steering to further enhance your maneuverability. Polaris vehicles are known for their ride and handling. With 13-inch street-grade tires and independent front and rear suspension with almost 6 inches of travel, the GEM's ride is incredibly smooth and stable. And finally, the brakes. The new GEM brakes are a road-tested design from Exum. They're not only tough, responsive, and durable, they combine with motor regeneration to help maximize your range. A concern some people have with electric power is range anxiety, and GEM's power system works hard to make that a thing of the past. But to give you even more confidence that your GEM can reliably go the distances you need, we've developed something called Smart Power. That's combining an efficient electrical system and a right-sized motor for your unique applications, with the ability to choose the right combination of battery and charger options. If initial cost is the most important factor, we offer a standard flooded battery. Most customers choose maintenance-free, and for the E2 and E4, we've developed a distance maintenance-free battery that can give you double the vehicle range. When maximum range is important, like with shuttles, GEM is the first vehicle in the industry to offer a warranty-backed lithium-ion battery. Not only does lithium-ion dramatically improve distances you can cover, you can also expect 2 to 3 times the battery charge cycles. This means in the entire life of your GEM, you may never need another battery. For recharging, we offer the convenience of a 3-prong 110-volt plug that you can use to charge your vehicle overnight or throughout the day if there's an opportunity. If you need faster turnaround, you can upgrade the vehicle to use the J1772 connector found in most public charging stations, which allows you to charge 3 to 6 times faster. Smart power also means smart connectivity and diagnostics. The new gauge shows your remaining range and battery charge, but if you want even more insight into your range, you can use the RiderX Link, an optional Bluetooth connection. This can be accessed through your smartphone's RiderX app. The app not only shows you what range to expect on your vehicle, but also maintenance records, time to full charge, and lots of other useful data. The RiderX app also provides free access to maps of all nearby residential roads so that you know where you can drive your GEM. Smart Power also improves diagnostic capabilities. While GEMs are designed for low maintenance if you ever do need service, Polaris Digital Wrench connects with the vehicle, making it easy to quickly diagnose the issue and get you back on the road. In addition to comfort, safety, and sustainability, you also need a vehicle that operates most effectively for you. The great thing about a GEM is that it can be configured to exactly what you want, so you only have to buy what you need. Say you need 2 vehicles, one for VIP shuttling and one for utility. With GEM, you can customize the VIP vehicle with aluminum wheels, chrome bumpers, and upgraded seats, and the other with an enclosed cargo box, hard doors, and rugged bumpers. Both vehicles arrive within the expected lead time, ready to work on day 1. And every feature and option has been tested with the vehicle to ensure that everything can handle the same rigorous duties. Plus, it's all backed by the factory warranty. And finally, doors. This was a big item on your list, and we delivered. For added security and protection from the elements, the new Polaris GEM features 4 all-new door choices. Removable hard doors with crank windows, half doors, quarter doors, and soft canvas doors. Go to gemcar.com to see all the amazing new options and accessories you can choose from. And now let's take a closer look at the ELXD, our new utility model. With its rugged build, generous ground clearance, and the ability to haul over 1,400 pounds, this vehicle is a workhorse. It's the first vehicle of its kind to offer a recessed bed to maximize hauling capability. It features a convenient, low loading height, a ramped tailgate, and the option for additional covered storage. The width of the recessed bed is the same as that of a standard door. If it fits through a door, it will fit in the recessed bed. The standard bed is sized to fit pallets and sheet goods. We also offer tool chests, a ladder rack, and fold-down side options, and a fully enclosed box. As you can see, with its unique combination of comfort, safety, and sustainability, the new GEM is the smarter way to move. But what did customers like you tell us? Let's take a look.
It felt like driving a car, getting into a car, the ease of getting in and out, so I felt safer.
They took some car features, they improved safety, comfort, but it's still small enough and functional to work in.
Very comfortable, very roomy, especially for big guys, definitely. I like my space.
The handling, the way it took the curbs and the acceleration and braking was very good as well.
For me, that was the best suspension at slow and high speed.
You like the image, you need the image for your product, right? But you also want to be sure that the people operating it are safe. So, and I think you get that sense with the GEM.
It just seems like you get a whole lot more investing in the GEM card. You're using it for stewarding people around, like potential buyers or so forth. got the right impression. It says high-end.
In every aspect that you've asked us to evaluate, from performance to handling to comfort and for safety, there's no comparison.
So there you have it, the all-new Polaris GEM. Engineered from the ground up based on 3 key tenets of the Polaris culture: listening to you, delivering an exceptional ride in every way, and offering a full array of options and accessories. Bottom line, you wanted a smart vehicle that maximizes utility and enjoyment for everyone who experiences it. With the all-new Polaris GEM, we didn't just build a vehicle, we built the smarter way to move. To learn more about the new GEM, go to gemcar.com. Here you can build and price your new GEM and see all your available options. There are a limited number of dealers with preview vehicles in stock. You can find one of them on the web or request more information from your local dealer or commercial sales manager. Shipments start in December. For those of you wondering what will happen with the classic GEM you've grown to love, we have a limited number available at dealerships around the country and available to order. You probably have lots of questions, and we want to continue this conversation. Be sure to join us on GEM's Facebook page right now. Brian and I, as well as our sales team, will be answering your questions live. Thank you.